In this video, I will show you how to find your Phantom Wallet address. So to do this, you first just want to go and open up Phantom Wallet, and from here it's quite simple. In the home screen, just go and click on Receive, and from here you can select one of these 5 cryptocurrencies, so Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon or Bitcoin, and whichever one you want to transfer to your Phantom Wallet account, just click on it. So for example, I'll use Solana. And from here you then have a address. So first you have a QR code, but if you just want to have a wallet address that you can paste in somewhere to transfer the money, then simply go and click on the button above the share button, and from there you can see it says copied, and you have now copied your wallet address. So you can see right here, I now have my Solana wallet address. So now just go to the exchange or wallet you are sending from, paste in that wallet address, use the same cryptocurrency and network, and then it will be transferred over to your Phantom wallet. So that's how to find your Phantom wallet address. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.